Hello, my art friends. So, several of you at home let you know that I do miss you very, very much. And we are still going to continue because I'm trying to keep the projects the same at home as they are at school so that no one feels like they're getting more instruction or less instruction. So we are on a 3-week rotation here up at school. So I just finished this week, or last week, with the first 3-week rotation, and now I'm on to the 2nd week rotation. So that means the kids are doing the same thing that they were the last 3 weeks. So those of you that are at home that have done the Elmers, what I want you to do is I do want you to if you have done the Elmer, which was the gridded elephant, what I want you to do is I want you to try and use a bigger piece of paper. This is a like 12 by 18 piece of paper. That's what we're using here at school. And you can either draw the Elmer elephant or you can choose another animal. Try to find an animal that might be challenging to you. Maybe it's a giraffe. So if I was to draw a giraffe, let me find a piece of paper. Well, a piece of paper that doesn't have anything on it. So let's say I was to do a giraffe, right? What I would do is I would look at a picture of the giraffe. So I'm going to look at that giraffe. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of start sketching out. And you can do the best you can. There's no right or wrong. And I am looking at this giraffe right here. So this giraffe, if you notice, the thigh is thicker than the bottom on all of these. So I'm going to, there's the leg right here, and I'm going to sketch it out lightly so that when I erase, because I know I'm going to have to erase, okay. And then I'm going to add another leg back here. Remember, the thigh is thicker than the legs itself. Let's see, that doesn't look right, so I got to erase. Okay. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the tummy. Okay, go ahead and make the thigh. Remember, giraffes have really, really long legs. A couple years ago, we saw baby giraffes, the San Diego Safari Zoo, and that was pretty cool. So I'm lightly doing this. You always want to draw light. So like right here, I already can tell this is not proportionate. The bottom doesn't stick out quite so much on the giraffe. They do have little bitty tails. I'm going to draw. Remember, they have really long necks, which are pretty cool. Draw the little tops. There we go. So there's my giraffe. Might even want to change this up a little bit and have it kind of go up. And so you're going to draw what other animal you want. I just did a giraffe. Okay. And then what I want you to do could be a zebra, could be a tiger, a lion, a hippo, a monkey. You could draw a bunch of birds. And what I want you to do is do what they did on Elmer's special day. And I want you to make a pattern, a different pattern. And I want you to color in your creation. Then you could take it a step further and do what the animals did. And on a separate piece of paper, draw the face of an elephant and tape the face of the elephant onto your creation so that it looks like they're in the parade and they're trying to be like elephants, even though we know that it's a giraffe or a monkey or an antelope. And you can leave the face white like Elmer, like they did in the book, or you could always do it gray because that's what Elmer did. Everybody else became patterns, and then he covered himself in the gray fruit, and he became a normal elephant. So that's the steps that I want you to take for kinder through second. Because we're still working on Elmer, and I want you to find another animal, draw it, and draw it on a large piece of paper. Because if you do it on a small piece of paper, then you could probably get done with it a lot quicker. But this is what we're going to be working on for the next 3 weeks, because I have a new group of kids that are coming in, and they're going to be doing the Elmer project themselves. Okay? So I miss you guys a whole lot. Things are just like you are at home. And y'all just get more of a chance to do art at a longer period of time versus up here, it's just the short minutes that they do. So I can't wait to see you guys soon. This is all over, and I miss you guys a lot. Bye, guys.